Dear scholars, we have been learning a poem, Somebody's Mother. Through the previous videos, you came to know that the old and ragged woman who was waiting to go across the road, who was weak, and due to the winter cold, she was shivering. The people were passing by her, but just all them neglected her. No one helped her. Later, the boys, a group of boys, also passed the woman. They too didn't help her. She was afraid if she walked, she may sleep and she may get trampled by the carriages or the horses' feet. So it is all about up to the fourth stanza. Now let us see the fifth one. At last came out of the merry troop the gayest boy of all the group. He paused beside her and whispered low, I will help you across if you wish to go. So, as we came to know through the previous stanzas that the school was over and the boys were going their home happily. Here, the first group of boys neglected the woman. What happened further? That is given over here. So, at last, so whatever students going over there, so at last came out of the merry troop. Here, merry means cheerful, happy, and troop means group. So, at last came out of the merry troop the gayest boy of all the group. Gayest means happiest. So, as the students were passing, the last group was also passing that old woman. At that time, the woman noticed the cheerful group of boys going to home, and among those boys, or in that group, there was the happiest boy. What he did, that is given, he paused beside her and whispered low. So when he noticed that woman, he paid attention to that woman and he paused. He stopped to see her. At the same time, he whispered something. He said something in a low voice. He spoke up to that woman in a low voice. What he spoke up? It is here. I will help you across if you wish to go. So it is what the boy thought the woman is willing to go across the road, and so he asked that woman if she is willing to go across the road. He himself, the boy himself, is ready to help her. So, listening this, the woman became happy that there is someone who is there to provide her or to lend her helping hand. So the boy offered her help, asking her, I will help you if you wish to go. What is further? Let us see the next stanza. So, woman happily said yes, she wanted to go across the road, and how he helped and how the woman crossed the road with the help of that boy, that is given over here. Her aged hand on his strong young arm she placed, and so without hurt or harm. He guided the trembling feet along, proud that his own were young and strong. Then back again to his friends he went, his young heart happy and well content. So, what is it? The boy approached the old woman, he went near to that woman and hold her hand. So, the woman whose hand was aged, she placed her hand on the hand of that boy. That is, the boy held her hand in his strong and young arm. So she placed and so without hurt or harm. So after placing her hand in the arms of that young boy, the woman thought she would not hurt, she would not harm, she would not fall down. So, what's further? He guided the trembling feet along. As the woman's feet were trembling due to weakness, due to old age, due to cold, he helped that woman to walk properly, to go across the road, to cross the road. He guided the trembling feet along. So that is what he supported that old woman, holding her hand, holding her arm, and without hurt and without harm, just walking and crossing the road. Proud that his own were young and strong. At that time, the woman thought of her own children. So, if her children or if her boy was young and strong, definitely he would have helped. Next lines. Then back again to his friends he went, his young heart happy and well content. That is what, after making the woman go across the road, or after supporting her to go across the road successfully, the boy went back to his friends, to that group of boys. At that time, his young heart was happy and well content. So the boy was very happy. The boy was satisfied by helping that old woman. So here the boy understood, the boy saw the happiness on that woman's face, which her how her worried eyes turned into happy and satisfied eyes after his help. He got happiness to see her happy and satisfied eyes, and he became happy helping her cross the road. So that the last line is his young heart happy and well content. So definitely, if we help someone needy at that time also, we too become happy, we too become satisfied that we have helped someone. So this is all about the fifth and sixth stanzas of the poem. I hope you will understand the given explanation.